Welcome to Color Canyon. Today we're going to make 3 different types of mug cakes. A confetti cake, a blueberry cake, and a chocolate cake. First, you need 4 tablespoons of flour. Don't add any flour into the chocolate one because the cocoa powder acts as flour. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next, you're going to add baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon. You're going to put that in every cup. Now, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. Next is 1 tablespoon of oil and some vanilla extract. Mix it up. Now, for each one, we're going to add each one's secret ingredient. For the confetti one, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of sprinkles. For the chocolate one, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And for the blueberry one, you're going to add blueberries. I added 10 blueberries in mine, but you can add as much as you want. Next, we're going to pop this in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds.